Hey my sunshines, welcome back to our channel Sunshine Cute Hairstyles. If you haven't done so already, please hit on the subscribe button for more hair tutorial. Today we'll be doing a kids friendly spider tree. Halloween inspired of course. Let's get started. I will start by putting the hair in a high ponytail and fasten it with an elastic band. Then to do the tree trunk, I will place two elastic bands and then take a popsicle stick. You can use any stick that you will find to hold it straight and secure it within the elastic band. Now I'm using two sets of ribbon and wrap it around the trunk. To create the branches, I will need to use a donut. I'm loosely taking pieces of hair and securing it to the donut. Doesn't have to be perfect. Continue this until all the hairs are pinned to the donut. You can use any accessories you want. You can make it scary, you can make it kids friendly, adult friendly, it's your choice. Today I did a kids friendly tree. I added the black ribbon to make it more stiff. There you have it, my sunshine, my version of the tree. And it wouldn't be complete without the spiders. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Also, you can connect with us on our social media handles. Please make sure to like this video, it really helps us to see what you enjoy watching. Before you leave, please click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you can stay updated on future hair trends. Until next time, my sunshine, I love and appreciate your support. Don't forget to share.